Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes, fix Windows 11, 10 search bar not displaying and not showing results. Right-click Start button, type Regedit. Click and expand H key current user, click and expand software, click and expand Microsoft, click and expand current version. Click Search. Create new DWord 32-bit value named as Bing Search Enabled, change value data to 0. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.